Hello everyone, welcome back to English Learning with Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner. Let's go ahead and get started with our next lesson, My Class. And we are working on two phrases. Whose class are you in? And where is the classroom? Let's go ahead and get started. Class.
O Class. Whose class are you in?
Whose class are you in?
I am in Mr. Robinson's class.
I am in Mr. Robinson's class.
Are you in my class?
Class.
No, I am in Mrs. J's class.
Class again. Is this student?
Is this student in your class?
No, he is in Mr. Bird's class.
No, he is in Mr. Bird's class.
Are these students in your class?
Are these students in your class?
Yes, they are. Whose class is he in?
Whose class is he in? Class. No. Whose class is he in?
He is a student in my class.
He is a student in my class.
Are you in Mrs. Gray's class?
Class.
No, I am a student in Mr. Turner's class.
Student. Turner's.
So am I. We are in the same class.
Class again. Good job, everyone. That was whose class are you in? Let's go ahead and go into where is the classroom?
Classroom.
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 Good morning.
Good morning.
I can't find my classroom.
I can't find my classroom.
Whose class are you in?
Whose class are you in?
I am in Mrs. Carter's class.
I am in Mrs. Carter's class.
Her classroom is here.
Her classroom is here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Classroom. Is this Mr. Connor's classroom?
Is this Mr. Connor's classroom?
No, this is Mrs. Knight's classroom.
No, this is Mrs. Knight's classroom.
Excuse me, is this Mr. Joy's classroom?
Classroom, Room.
No, this is Mrs. Riley's classroom.
Classroom.
Do you know where Mr. Joy's classroom is?
Classroom.
Yes, I am in his class. We can go there together.
Class. Good job, everyone. Thank you for joining me for this week's English practice of whose class are you in and where is the classroom? I am Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring. If you are benefiting from these English lessons, please like and subscribe and check out our other videos. Have a great one.